This is Pictar Pro. It makes your phone function and feel like a DSLR. See, every time a new smartphone comes out, it's always about one thing. The camera. They've gotten amazing. Every small detail of the camera is always examined. The size of the sensor, the amount of light that goes in, a new special tech for pixels, and mountains of software and algorithms, as they call it today, AI. When you look closely at the efforts, they're made of two different things. One is to make a better camera, and the other is to make everyone's experience with it a good one. That second part basically means that you and a man who lives in a cave will have the same outcome. Point, tap, and that's it. Nothing to think about or configure. So many unbelievable technological achievements in these cameras that are even more amazing when you can control them, and they're buried under mountains of menus. Some of them can't even be controlled at all. Pictar Pro enables photographers to use all the smartphone camera's incredible features while maintaining a great user experience. Here's how it works. I downloaded the Pictar app, then I just slide Pictar on. Now let's say I want to take a picture of our camera guy. I use this wheel here that controls exposure. Then I slowly move the zoom to the desired spot, then a short shutter press for focus, and there. A perfect professional picture. The 3 Ps of photography. I just invented that. That's not even a real thing. Pictar feels and looks just like a classic camera. It has a brass body with a satin chrome finish just like Leica or Minox. Besides looking beautiful, that metal gives Pictar the firm grip and weight of a camera for better stability. Just like a camera, Pictar has 4 external buttons and wheels for precise control over the phone's camera and for unleashing its full potential. To really complete the camera feel and help take pictures when the sun glares on the phone, there's the viewfinder. It makes me feel like Annie Leibovitz, or Robert Capa, might be a better choice, being a man and all. Let's look at the features. Pictar comes with an app that detects all your phone's abilities, and in most phones even adds capabilities that other phones have. It also has advanced video features. Just like a real camera, every one of those features is accessible through the wheels and buttons of Pictar. Take, for example, the continuous zoom, an important tool when shooting a video. With Pictar, I just use the rocker switch. Through the app, I can even control the speed of the zoom. Simple enough even for the caveman. Then there's the shutter release button that easily takes pictures when fully pressed, and that locks focus and exposure when half pressed. There's the exposure compensation wheel for better lighting control. It also allows for a quick flip between front and back cameras, for a quick selfie between shots. This button here is called the Smart Wheel. It allows the user to easily scroll between 8 preset modes, including full manual, shutter priority, ISO, and a video mode offering advanced video features such as white balance, shutter speed, and frame rate. The Pictar app offers so many professional photo and video options, just choose. I'll go with macro. I'm gonna focus on this spider. We couldn't get a real spider? Press the button, and that's it. A macro shot of a fake spider. I can also use the manual focus on whatever part I choose. Because it's a camera, on the top of Pictar Pro there is a cold shoe connector for LED devices or a shotgun mic, and on the bottom you can connect a tripod. Another feature I like is that Pictar has a built-in battery and it wirelessly charges your phone when it's in, so your shoots don't end abruptly with a dead battery. Pictar Pro works with really almost any phone as long as it has a phone shape and with most phone cases. Also, it's future-proof, meaning that whatever new OS or new Android candy name will come out, Pictar Pro upgrades to fit it. And there's no setup or pairing process. Pictar's app and buttons work through an ultrasonic wireless system that takes very little energy with instant engagement. Just plug and play. This is the second and more advanced version of Pictar. The team behind it has successfully crowdfunded and shipped the first Pictar, as well as 3 other photography gear campaigns. This is their best product yet. So if you want to take professional pictures like pictures are meant to be taken, support Pictar and make the most of your smartphone camera.
AirDeck 2.0, the ultimate travel playing cards. When traveling, you want to be as light and compact as possible. and you want reliable cards that won't break and that can be used in any environment. Following the success of AirDeck comes AirDeck 2.0. Based on the feedback from our community, we're offering 3 new designs: Classic, Warp Speed, and Astronauts Playing Cards. These decks have been designed from the ground up to be the perfect travel companions. They'll easily fit in your pocket, and they're made to be brought everywhere. The compact size means that you can use these cards in cramped environments, such as a plain tray table. They're also 100% waterproof and washable. With AirDeck 2.0, you can play on the beach, in the pool, virtually everywhere. While we wanted a compact and light design, we did not want to compromise on quality. In the process of making the AirDeck, we tested more than 50 different high-end materials from some of the world's top card manufacturers. We ended up with a casino-quality PVC that handles just like you expect professional cards to do. While even the best paper cards tear and stain easily, the AirDeck is incredibly resilient to tearing and bending. A textured front and back makes the cards easy to grip. Each of the decks consists of 52 standard playing cards, 2 jokers, and come in a durable waterproof box. With this campaign, we're asking for your help to get our first batch of cards produced. As a bonus to everyone helping us out, we're offering free international shipping. We'll also plant trees with Worldview International to offset any carbon emitted from the production of the cards. A big warm thank you to everyone that backs our campaign. We hope you'll like our product as much as we do.
In approximately 1 minute, Packham can increase up to double the capacity of your luggage. But we believe it's the best one. Packham isn't the first handheld vacuum compressor in the world, one-handed operation. Just plug it into the power source and you can start. Panel light indicates the function setting. There are 2 pump modes, Eco Mode and Super Mode. Eco Mode can be used for compressing food storage bags. With Super Mode, you can finish the compression process with our Packham bag in approximately 1 minute. Packham is an automatic vacuum with an intelligent design. You can just ignore Packham and do whatever you want once it starts. The Packham will stop automatically after it's done compressing. One little suggestion, don't plan on doing too much as you only have approximately 1 minute. We care about your experience. There are often times when you have shopped too much and do not have enough vacuum bags for storage. Therefore, we have provided the Padapter. The Padapter works with most other brands of vacuum bags. You won't have to worry about not having enough Packham bags to compress all your stuff. The intelligent design auto stop still functions when using Padapter. The Packham is a lifestyle vacuum rather than just a travel vacuum. Packham can actually pump in footballs, basketballs, beach balls. Our port uses M8 size, which is compatible with most of the inflatable accessories in the world. The Packham can do all that. The fabulous design needs brilliant supporters to make it happen. We hope our design is beneficial and makes your everyday life a lot easier. Packham can improve the quality of life and travel experiences. With Packham, you have control of your own space.
This is Pivo. In tech speak, it's a smart interactive pod for your smartphone photography. In plain English, it's just an awesome turning awesomeness. It's not going to make your life better, but it is going to let you be insanely creative with your photos and videos. Here's how. Pivo can follow you as you move,
We always start with sanding.
with both front and back cameras. So now your video blogs look pro.
Secret for a perfect cake is all in the ingredients. Oh, I forgot the cream.
It can also follow objects like your moonwalking shoes or your sock puppet Sylvester Stalsock. Adrian! Not the right movie. Pivo partnered with Restream, so whatever you shoot, with Pivo you can go live on over 30 platforms at once, so all your followers can enjoy your sock. Pivo has a lot of quick creation modes. This is Versus mode. Good for rap battles.
My name drops in, you can kiss my feet.
Yo. Whatever.
But also for this.
I'm here with my boo.
Who's that guy?
What guy?
This is Mini-Me. For a shot with Mini You. Even a view coming to hug you but being blocked by you while you look at the entire thing laughing. Man, you're a jerk to you. This is a mode called Perfect Panorama. You know, so there's no this. Ouch. This is Double Take. For videos of everyday bummers. Or for when you want to express how you feel about your diet. This is Flash mode. Go long, Sylvester. And this is 50-50, where 50% of the screen is still, 50% video, and 100% nice. And there's also Tiny Planet and Motion Time-Lapse. It's time-lapse, but with motion. Move it, people. And with the Pivo tray, you can use turntable mode for 360 product shots or to lick ice cream evenly. Pivo can work by snapping your fingers, saying cheese, with a remote, and of course with the app, because it's smart, like you. Pivo is for YouTubers, speakers, comedians, wannabe comedians, content creators, photographers, sock puppets, wannabe sock puppets, and just people. Now it's up to you. Get Pivo. Be creative. Insanely creative.